Good afternoon. Today on Sharp Outdoors, we're going to learn how to install one of these boat buckles on your Tracker Classic XL. All you're going to need is a hammer, a ratchet with a 16mm socket, a 16mm wrench, some black paint, your boat buckles, and a helper. Let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take these factory straps off. Throw them in the trash. We're done with those. Now you'll notice that your bracket here, it bends out away from the trailer. So you're going to have to hit it with the hammer and bend it in. Otherwise your boat buckle is going to hit your tail light. It takes a good bit of force. But you ain't got to bend it like crazy. See, all I did was hit it a little bit and get her bent out just enough to where it'll fit. After you've whacked on your boat, I like to spray a little paint on it just to help prevent rust. Just flat black paint, nothing fancy. Then you're going to take your boat buckle, you're going to take your bolt with your washer through the boat buckle, put your bolt into the trailer, then your washer, then your nut. And then from there you're going to take your wrenches and start tightening. And before you get them all the way tight, you want to get this orientated the way you want it. So I want the strap coming out as straight and even as possible. It's about right there, looks pretty good. I'll go ahead and snug her down. And there is no torque spec for this. German tight, I guess. Good and tight. And then you're done. So then once you got your trailer strapped down, you're going to push down on this release button and pull up. And that'll loosen your strap to where you can take it off. To tighten it down, you just pump it like a regular ratchet and then lock it all the way down to lock it in place. And you're done. And that'll end today's video on installing boat buckles on your Tracker Classic XL. Hope that makes it easier for y'all. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you out.